back from the dead.
What is up guys, SHOMihaw here, back with another video, and today I'm back after a very long time. I mean, a very long time. I've missed this, I'm not gonna lie, but the good news is I'm back. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to turn your low quality pictures into high quality ones. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is actually head over to the Play Store or App Store if you're on iOS, which I'm gonna do now. And then you just simply search for the app called Remini. It's an amazing app, I'm not gonna lie. It's a very amazing app. So once it's done installing, I'm gonna come back. Oh yeah, not to mention guys, this app works best if you have faces in your picture. Alright, so now that it's done installing, just open up the application and then tap on skip in the right corner. Alright, so now you just simply have to make an account, which I already have, so I'm just gonna log in with my Google account and I'm gonna come back. So as you can see, I'm logged in now, and this is the interface. This app has so many features, just look at all these features.
Look at all those chickens!
That aside, the normal version of this app only lets you
That you
edit 5 pictures a day. So that's a minus point for this app, I don't know, but 5 pictures is enough. I mean, but just click on enhance, which is what we're here for. And you can turn this into this. It's amazing. Then just click allow and then pick your picture. I'm gonna choose that one and then click on the check mark, and you're just gonna have to wait a 40 seconds. I'm not sure, but it's in that range. There's an ad that's gonna be popping up. You're just gonna have to wait. Don't skip the ad because you may not get the result. What was that? That was an awkward laugh. Fuck that. Alright, so you're just gonna have to wait.
1 hour later.
2,000 years later.
Okay. So now that it's done displaying the ad, just look at the results. Just look at the result. What is this? What is this? It's amazing. Look at what the app has done. Look at what the app has done.
I can't believe you've done this.
It's amazing what this app can do. From this to this. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
It's amazing. It's mind-blowing. It's seriously the best app I've ever tried to enhance my picture quality. I'm not gonna lie, it's the best app. Alright, so if you want to save it, you can get an ad. It's not necessarily like that, but in my case it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace out.